We present here our project, Universal Test Audit Agent. Here, we are solving a very real problem in software development. Test suits degrade over time. They become flaky, brittle, poorly documented, and miss critical edge cases. And the biggest issue, these problems are usually invisible until they break production. For this demo, we are using a sample project called a Task Management API. It's a Python Flask backend that includes user authentication, task creation and priorities, due dates and reminders, email notifications. This might sound simple, but it's actually the perfect system because it has multiple modules, external dependencies like email and database, time based logic, and realistic complexity, which means over time it naturally accumulates test issues. So in real world projects, no one manually audits test quality regularly. So team faces flaky tests that randomly fail, brittle tests that break after refactoring, missing edge cases, and no integration coverage. Our goal was to automate this entire audit process. So we have built here the Universal Test Audit Agent. It's an AI powered agent that analyzes any repository, evaluates test quality across 5 dimensions, generates a structured report, and even suggests fixes automatically, all directly inside GitLab. So let me show you how this works in action. Here, I have simply provided the project ID of a task management API application and asked the agent to audit the test suite and suggest fixes. So you'll notice the system asks for approvals. This is intentional. Any action like reading logs, creating issues, or writing files is gated to ensure safe, controlled automation. As the agent runs, it discovers the repository structure, identifies the language and test framework, reads all test and source files, analyzes failures and patterns, and evaluates test quality across 5 dimensions. So here it will take some time. So now it is preparing the audit, the main report that will get, and it will create the issues accordingly. So this is the generated test health report. Here we are getting an overall test health score, breakdown across 5 dimensions, exact problematic tests with explanations and prioritized recommendations. So as you can see, we have got an health score of 42 by 100, and with flaky tests with a count of 3, brittle tests with 2, and poorly documented as 2, missing edge cases with 20 plus, which is very high, integration gaps at 10 plus. Then we get a complete index of test health audit. The complete report is in the created as an issue of 45, and the audit summary also in the test health report. And we have got 3 fixed files. First is fixed test auth.py. The next is fixed underscore test notifications. And third is for tasks. So we have got quick start, key findings, and expected improvements with uh, before and after comparison, and what makes this audit comprehensive. So we have now come here to our personal project, which was task manager. So here we have the created issues which we first saw. So this issue 38 has test health report. So we have got 42 out of 100, as I have told you already. So this project, the project contains 15 test functions, but approximately 40% are either flaky, unreliable due to unmocked external dependencies, or brittle, tightly coupled to implementation details, or poorly documented. So as you can see, we have the flaky issues first addressed here. Next, the brittle tests, which we saw in the authentication files also. The next third dimension was covering the missing edge cases. And then the integration gaps noticed in all of the files of in notification as well as database and all. So this is the summary of a test count. Next, we have the fixed test file number one. Here we can see the corrected test files, proper mocking of time-dependent logic, removal of brittle internal checks, and improved reliability. So as you can see, it gives these are complete runnable test files, not just suggestions. It gives the whole code, so we can just paste it and fix our application. Next fixed test file is of notifications. The third file is of tasks. So what this means for us is we have transformed a static test suite into a self-auditing system. Instead of manually debugging tests, we now have automated quality evaluation, actionable insights, and ready-to-use fixes. Ultimately, agent turns any GitLab project into a continuous test quality intelligence system with human in the loop safety and automated remediation. So that's it for our project demo. Thank you.